If you are a frequent Excel user on date related functions, then date value function will be very helpful in your Excel work. Here I have 5 different ways to use date value function in your Excel work. Keep watching. Tap the subscribe button so you don't miss any other Excel related tips and tricks that you need. And this is the formula for defining date value, and it is accepting one parameters. And main purpose of using date value is to convert any type of input parameters into date string. It is not a date, it is a date string. So you can convert that date string to date by easily using that date to date function. Okay. Here I'm going to explain 5 different real-time scenarios which will be helpful to understand the date value function a little bit more. Okay. So that's it. The parameters. So the first type I'm going to use the date identifier as a month, date, year. Okay. Here. So to do that, you must define that date value function and define that parameter as here. This specifying the due date of Stephen. Okay. Here it is returning that result as, you can see it here, result as 4385. It is a date string. It is not a date, it is a date string. So you can convert the date string into date in any type of format. Let me use this. Okay. So to convert the date number into date string is to use toDate function. To define the date number, it will get converted into date. You can see that. So this is the defined date format. Okay. So that input type we can define whatever. So initially we defined that exact date format. Even if you provide any type of format, we will convert it to the date format. Then second type, we are going to provide the date string as a month, day, year, plus we are additionally inputting that value as hour, minutes and second. So here you can see that the Raj value is having the due date as 21st April, mentioning that hour, minutes and the second. Okay. So I'm going to convert that into the defined date format by using that date value and mentioning that exact due date of Raj. And if you enter that, you can see that the result as a date value. And using that toDate function. Yeah, here you can see toDate into date value of D5. Today date value of D5 is nothing but date number, and it got converted into toDate. So likewise, you can use the third formula. Just copying that same here, and here I'm changing that to D6. You can see that third Keshav due date is in the date format is, it's a plain text. It's not a date actually, it's a plain text. It is having that year / month / day. Okay, here you can see that year, month / day, it got converted into defined date format. So this is the formula. Go to the next scenario. So next scenario is nothing but date, year hyphen month hyphen day. Here we are not having that slash. Usually slash is the default identifier to defining that year, month, date. Here we are not having the slash. Instead of that, we are having that hyphen. Okay, we are just converting that format into date using that same date value. So the next scenario, I'm copying to here. The format is day / month / year. You can see here day / month / year. Click here month / year. So the converted into date format. Okay. So the date value is used to define the input any type of date string and convert that into date number. Okay. So you can convert the date number to date easily by using that toDate function. Okay. Hope it helps you and hope you enjoyed my video. See you again with another useful video.